is Kate. Today we're going to be doing some arts and crafts. Thanks for joining me. We're going to be making some butterflies. So what you're going to need is a toilet paper roll, some construction paper. You can use any color you like. I just picked yellow. Some pipe cleaners, again, any color you like. Some decorating tools, tape, and some scissors. So the first thing you're going to want to do is decorate your toilet paper roll. As you can see, I went ahead and decorated mine with some pink polka dots. When you're done decorating your toilet paper roll, cut out from your construction paper some butterfly wing shapes. I went ahead and cut some of my shapes out. You can do yours any shape, size, color, any way you like. When you're done cutting them, you're going to want to decorate them. When you're done with that, make sure your pipe cleaners have been separated into two parts. I twisted the ends of mine, but you can do whatever you'd like with yours. They can be any color, size, shape, length, anything you want for your butterfly. When you've got everything assembled and decorated and ready to go, you're going to want to take your tape and pull a little piece off. Once you've got your tape, you're going to take your toilet paper roll and one of your super cool wings that you've made and tape them together like so. I think it's easiest if you take a piece of the tape, put it on the back of the wing, like so, and put it onto your toilet paper roll, like this. And there you go, we've got a wing ready to flap. So we're going to do that on the other side. Take another piece of tape, attach it to your wing, and tape it onto your butterfly, like so. So now that your wings are attached, you want to make sure your pipe cleaners are separated into two parts. You're going to attach them just the same way you did your wings. So take off some tape, attach it to your pipe cleaner, like so, and stick it on the inside of your toilet paper roll. You can see in there. And do the same thing with your other side. Attach it to your pipe cleaner and put it in your toilet paper roll. And there you go. Now you have a super fun butterfly you can play with and make flap around your house. I hope you guys had as much fun making these as I did.